This is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be called Repeat Saturday, where I take my live video that is in my group and whatever sketch I am using or whatever, and that's the sketch, and going to bring it to YouTube. So what I do on a monthly basis is I go live in my little group in Facebook, and now I am going to bring it to my YouTube channel. So here I am explaining. I dropped a poll in my group the day that I was going to go live, and I asked what they want, and I picked the top 3. So the top 3 was a summer layout using 2 or more photos, which is what I have right there, and then a sketch. And so that was the sketch, and I'll link the sketch inspiration down below along with my group so that you could catch this live or the repeat. Either one is fine. And somebody in my group, my little friend called Scrappy Amy, wanted me to use a bicycle. So this paper that you see on top ends up being one of my focal points for the layout, and then I just go from there. The collection that I am using is called Sunny Days from Crepe Paper, and I'm just now showing the little peeps that are live with me, all the papers that I have, and now I'm going to pull out what I have. And you will see I am got this to 5 times the speed because it is for a full hour. And we were talking about how the layouts or these companies are coming out with real life photos like that and how to use them. And I'm just going through all of the papers. I grabbed this paper out as well, and that paper too. And then I grab one other blue one. And then that's pretty much the papers that I'm going to use. I don't use that much layering on it because this particular sketch that I'm using is more embellish heavy than paper heavy, which is fine for me because I love to embellish as well. So I grabbed the black cardstock from Close to My Heart. I absolutely love that cardstock, by the way. And I am going to use the back side of this one as my main layering piece. Gotta distress like I always do. And the photos, as you're watching me put some of this together and discuss in my group, the photos are of my feet, and it is while we were in the Caribbean for the cruise that we just went on in March. And I have those photos already printed out because I love those photos. I don't have very many papers or photos right now that are summary because I was able to get everything that we took last summer done. So the only photo summer layouts that I or photos to use for layouts is my Caribbean ones when we were in the Bahamas area on the island. So I decided I asked what they thought if I should put the feet together like this or the other way. And so they said to go this way. And so that's why I love it. One of them is where the water washed away and my feet are completely there. And then the other ones is the water came up onto my feet so you can't see it. And that's what I use for the photos. It is of the sand. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to go back. My husband and I are planning on going back again. I absolutely love this cruise. I did get a little motion sickness, but that's typical for me. It's not something that hinders me at all. And I absolutely love just doing all of that I did. It was fantastic. Just loved it. So here I am. I'm adding another little bit of a layer because I just felt like I needed more layers to it. And they all enjoyed the fact that I add all these layers. They just don't understand how they can't do what I do. And I'm like, it's easy. Just if you've got a full collection, use it because it all matches. All the colors match. It's so super duper easy. And I'm placing this little piece because there is this little piece that goes behind this, and I do add it, and then I add as a banner on the side here. And of course, my good friend Amy said that I'm adding a tag, and I said, no, I'm not adding a tag. I'm adding a banner because I didn't poke a hole. So, and I must be chatting about something. So if you see me every once in a while just kind of my fingers going and chatting, it's because I'm doing a live and I'm doing a voiceover on this. And I'm backing it with my foam tape. Now, some of the foam tape that I got was while I was stationed in Germany, and I wasn't able to get the sticky stuff like I did, like I can at Walmart now. So some of it doesn't have it, so I have to put tape on both sides. But I do add some dimension to this because I do add a bunch of little bits to this particular layout. And here I go, now it's embellishment city. And now the rest of this layout is all about the embellishments and more embellishments, and because that's what this sketch is. Now, I will, like I said, I'll link everything down below. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. If you like what you see and you want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you get the content. Now with chipboards, I know that I always love to add dimension to things, but the chipboards can tend to be just a little bit too thick sometimes. So the hack that I like to use is peel some of it off. You still get the chipboard feeling on it, but it's not essentially what I call thick then. You can still get the feel of it being a chipboard, but without the thickness to it. And now I'm just placing down little bits. I have this whole collection. So right now it's easy for me to do everything because I have quite a bit of it. And I absolutely love how this layout turned out. They always do an amazing job. They love to heckle me. I love going live with these ladies because it's just good fun. Ooh, excuse me. Sorry about that. And I'm drinking my favorite tea. I have a new company that I went with, and it's called Sips. It's Sips by Box. And let me tell you, it's got some good tea in there. Oh, I was also showing them the dimensions. So Stampin' Up! Has smaller dimensions, and I happened to find some thicker dimensions at Tuesday Morning that I use if I want something just a little bit thicker looking. Now, I will tell you that that umbrella doesn't stay in that section. It stays on the layout, but not in that spot. So I add a flamingo there, or a pelican? Flamingo? Pelican. That's what that is. And then the camera and the little boho lady on there is just perfect for me. I absolutely love how that part turned out. And I just now work on it. The sticker that I am placing down below the camera, it's called Take It Easy. And I place this bird flying into it. There's words that are saying above there. And they're all like see-through stickers that are part of the sticker pack. This sticker pack for this collection is like insanely big. So here I go, I switch it. Because this is a black and white umbrella, I place the pink one on that side so that it brings the pink to the black on both sides of the layout. And this layout is so vintage. It's so vintage and so me. I just love it. And I'm adding popsicles. I add those. I do come up with those sunglasses up on the top. And I try to do a little bit of a triangle theme here. I add those leaves because I added some leaves down by where it's called the Sweet Life. And this is what my title is going to be, is called the Sweet Life. And let me know if you guys like the repeat Saturday. If you don't mind, like, I know some people don't like going live, or some people don't like watching the live. But let me know if you like this idea as well, because I love to be able to do this for you guys. So just drop a comment down below if you like this, or just drop a comment down below. I always comment back anyway. So let me know what you guys think. And here I go with the bicycles. Amy wanted 3s because Amy's a 3 type person. So I added 3 bicycles in each little cluster. And then I add these white, or they're like black and white little pieces that I add onto the stickers, and it's just perfect. And I add a little bit up there at the top, and then I'm pretty much well done. I do end up doing, the still shots are at the end, obviously. I do come out with my gold vibes from Shimmer's paints as well for splatters. And then that's pretty much it on this layout. I hope that you enjoy. I'm going to leave you with the splattering. And then that is it. And the still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel if you like the content and to come back. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.